thing I knew कि yes, my passion for modeling and clicking pictures ये तो मेरे खून में ही था. The bad days are the days where I need my husband and my mom is like नहीं यार ऐसे होता रहता है. You think of the good thing that happened. That also you thought what तभी हो सकता है. As a woman, you cannot ask money from your husband. अब मुझे ऐसा करना है जो it's true to me and plus I'm making money of it. It's not just for fun. पहले MBA में जॉब कर लेंगे, simultaneously ये कर लेंगे. You know, content creation क्या ही है, reels तो करना है, photos तो करना है. I'm so proud of me now. She keeps telling me, अरे my बेटी is doing this, my daughter is doing this. वो तो मैं पूरा time Instagram पे ही रहती हूँ. 3-4 years back then it was not like that. Influencers were doing everything for free. You know, even on a cocktail party, I'm wearing a gown and sports shoes. You can look cool in track pants and t-shirts also. Yeah. Why not? Just how you wear it, how confident you are in wearing it.
Yeah. Hi, Dr. Meghla. Welcome to Darji Talks. How are you feeling today?
I'm so excited today. I'm so excited to meet you and talk to you. Thank you for inviting me.
Yeah. We are also excited to have you here. Oh my God. So we know that you have like 500,000 followers and you have traveled to 26 countries already. You are a dentist, you are an influencer, you are an entrepreneur. Oh my God, you're doing so much. So for the people who are just getting to know you or maybe seeing you for the first time, guide us through your journey.
Okay, the journey is pretty long, but in short, what I can say is I was born and brought up in a doctor family, and I'm also a Bharatanatyam dancer.
Wow.
Yes, I've done my Arangetram as well, and I was very good in studies. So even in 10th, I had got 92% as my score. So I went into a very good college in Ruia, and then I had to become a doctor because most of the people in my family were doctors. So that was destined for me. तो ठीक है, dentist बन गई, ठीक है, वो हो गया, and then afterwards I was practicing as well. I had my own clinic for 3 years before I got married. And then when I got married, I stopped practicing because my clinic was far away from my residential address then.
Yeah.
So then we shifted to another place. We shifted to Mulund, और वहाँ पे मुझे फिर बंद ही करना पड़ा. और मैं then I was like pretty sure कि मुझे क्लिनिक नहीं करना है अभी, ये नहीं करना है, ये पता था कि प्रैक्टिस करना हो गया यार. I want to do something else.
Different,
Yeah, and I didn't know what to do then. क्या करा? One thing I knew कि yes, my passion for modeling and clicking pictures ये तो मेरे खून में ही था. बचपन से ही जब भी Instagram exist भी नहीं करता था, I used to always love clicking pictures of myself. I was more worried about how I'm looking in a particular outfit than enjoying that location and being in the moment. Yeah, I can say that. I was always that annoying cousin who just wants brothers and sisters to click pictures, you know, बाकी सब बाद में पहले मेरा फोटो लो. तो ये करते करते यार and then I was like यही मुझे करना है जिंदगी में. And then वो क्वेश्चन है इसमें कैसे तुम करियर बनाओगे, you know, फोटोज क्लिक करना, ये करियर तो ऑप्शन नहीं है. And I'm a doctor. It's not like, you know, I've not studied much, I'm not done much, I'm already done such a serious profession. वहाँ से तुम फोटोज क्लिक करना है, तुमको मॉडलिंग करना है, कैसे होगे? And then I was like चल ठीक है. And I also love studying, so I thought let's study marketing since I'm good at marketing, I'm good at selling. Because even in my clinic I was better at selling myself as a dentist than actual practicing the procedure. So I was more good at convincing the patient to get this treatment done, and enjoyed that part. I was like, let's study that. So I started my MBA, and while doing that, I used to continuously post pictures as well. And slowly that picked up. My pictures started getting a lot of attention. I started getting a lot of requests from restaurants and events कि आओ attend करने आओ. And I used to go. And then in return you just have to put a photo or a carousel post. तभी reels नहीं थे. Carousel post story कर दो and all. I'm like ठीक है कर देंगे. ऐसे करते करते ना अच्छे खासे 3,000 5,000 तक followers हो गए थे. And that's where मुझे छोटे मोटे barter campaigns आने लग गए थे. And हाँ तो barter करती थी campaigns के लिए, products के लिए, photos लेती थी. तभी छोटे छोटे IGTV and all concept था. ये वीडियो भी बनाने लग गई थी मैं. And finally COVID happened and it was a good turning point in my career. Everyone went on Instagram and reels were a big thing then. That's where I started creating content. I started experimenting with my content and fashion and beauty. I knew skincare, beauty, makeup, fashion. This is my niche, that is for sure. I don't want to preach dentistry. I don't want to be anything else. But this is my niche because यही मेरा interest है, तो मैं वही करना चाहती हूँ. और करते करते चीजें होने लग गई, viral हो गई, बहुत सारे videos और बहुत सारे posts मेरे. My post also had a very good reach. Not only reels, like even my post used to reach a lot of people. And that's where I got my first big brand, that was Samsung. Okay, they noticed me when I had like around 40,000 followers or something. They invited me to Delhi for their some launch event of Galaxy S22 launch or 21 launch था.
Mhm.
वहाँ से my career took a growth. Like I was there in the media also. There were
Wow.
articles also where I was there. You know,
Nice.
I was a kind of a big deal then. Whereas I had only 40,000 followers. I was like, why would a brand like Samsung be so interested in me? Because
Yeah.
मेरा प्रोफाइल इतना भी स्ट्रांग नहीं था जितने बाकी लोग क्रिएटर्स बहुत बड़े बड़े क्रिएटर्स थे.
Yeah.
Maybe they saw something in me, so I was very excited. So
Yeah.
even in COVID, I went to Delhi. I did the entire thing. It was an amazing stay we got. We had a lot of fun during the launch.
Yeah.
ये सब करते करते हो गए. अभी brands बढ़ने लग गए, फिर
Yeah.
followers बढ़ने लग गए,
Mhm.
and things just started happening
Yeah.
for me. And when it comes to travel also, my mom loves to travel, and since childhood only we've been traveling a lot.
Yeah.
And now especially after my marriage, my mom has become a serial traveler.
Mhm.
तो आरू के पहले, मेरे बेटे होने से पहले मैं मम्मी के साथ हर जगह जाती थी.
Yeah.
ऐसे करते करते 26 कंट्रीज हो गई.
Oh wow.
समझ
That
आई
is
नहीं कि इतने
cool.
करें. हाँ, she has done so many more now.
Oh my
Now
god.
I don't travel that much because I am
Yeah,
restricted at
yeah.
home, right? I cannot travel with him because traveling with him is too much. You have to
Yeah.
take care of him. He just runs around everywhere. So I'm like, यार थोड़ा 1-2 साल और रुकते हैं. I've done 2 countries with him.
Yeah.
But then I had a lot of support, okay?
Yeah.
And a lot of other friends and relatives who are in charge of Aru, so that I can click some picture that I and have
Yeah.
one meal, you know, peacefully.
Yeah.
But हाँ ऐसे ही हो गया है ना. अभी चल रहा है. Now the brands are coming in, the work is coming in, content is going. With every content we try to do something different
Mm.
and bring a different side of me.
Yeah. So like, how much authenticity means to you? Like when you are posting, because when you say that, you know, you had like 40,000 followers or like that much followers, and then a brand like Samsung is coming.
Yeah.
Maybe that is because you have like some kind of authenticity on your page that they see.
Yeah.
So how do you bring that?
The thing is, I am a doctor. I'm not a model.
Yeah.
Okay, that is for sure.
Mm-hmm.
तो मैं मेरे नजरिए से फैशन करती हूँ. Like if I'm a doctor who wants to dress up really good, I will wear these clothes, I will wear this, and I am gonna wear this kind of makeup.
Yeah.
तो मेरा यही है कि I come and I'm just a regular girl. I'm not from this background. I'm just trying my luck here, and that's what I think the brands like.
Yeah.
She's a genuine regular person, like
Yeah.
anybody else, like a student. I was a college student, and then now I'm a
Yeah.
working professional.
Yeah.
How I will show fashion, it's very wearable. It's very understood. I say wear the
Mhm.
same shoes for so many reels. It's
Mhm.
not like I spend so much on different kinds. So my main funda about my authenticity is I wear, I rewear.
Yeah.
I reuse all my products
Yeah.
and still look different in each look.
Yeah.
Either the hairstyle is different or some accessory is different,
Yeah.
but it is in my limited set of closet only.
Yeah.
Because we have such less space in Mumbai.
Yeah.
कितना
I
shopping करूँ
understand.
यार?
Yeah. So all the permutation combination.
Yeah.
You do it. Yeah.
That is my authenticity. That
Yeah.
is my story. And a lot of people tell me, oh, you should make such content. You should make such
Mhm.
content. This is going viral. I was like,
Mhm.
but that's not me.
Yeah.
That's somebody else. Today, I have my audience, and even the brands who work with me work with me because of me.
Yeah.
I can definitely try something else, but I cannot make content because वो profile, वो creator का वो profile इतना viral हो रहा है, तो मैं वो create नहीं content कर सकती.
Yeah.
मैं उसके style में अपना content बना सकती हूँ, but I
Yeah.
can't be somewhere. That's where I lose the authenticity and the trust that I've gained in
Yeah.
so many years. It took me 4 or 5 years, I
Yeah.
think, to gain this. It's not
Yeah.
been so easy.
Yeah. It wasn't like a
The
one day
journey was
thing.
like this.
Yeah.
There were great days, there were really bad days, and then there
Yeah.
were average days. And the bad days are the days where I need my husband, and my mom is like, नहीं यार ऐसे होता रहता है. You think of the good thing that happened. That also you
Yeah.
thought, oh, what तभी हो सकता है.
Yeah.
Because after I left dentistry, I was in a very bad phase in life. क्योंकि
Mhm.
इतना बड़ा करियर छोड़ के तुमको पता नहीं क्या करना है. It's very nice for me to say now कि हाँ मुझे फोटोज क्लिक करना है क्या था, but I went through a very emotional phase where, and
Yeah.
as a woman you cannot ask money from your husband. It's not, I mean, I can and he will give, but
Yeah.
what's the point of me if I can't earn? Like, I'm educated, I'm in Mumbai, I'm a city
Yeah.
with full of opportunities.
Exactly.
I had to make my own opportunity.
Yeah.
That is not how to make it. अभी क्या करूँ? हाँ opportunity बनाना है, हाँ खुद कमाई करना क्या है, कुछ ऐसा अभी एक चीज करके देख ली जो मुझे नहीं करनी है,
Hmm.
पसंद नहीं आई, जो एज पर सोसाइटी मैंने करने देख ली.
Yeah.
अब मुझे ऐसा करना है जो it's true to me, and plus I'm making money off it. It's
Out
not
of it,
just
yeah.
for fun.
Mhm.
It is something which is very serious.
Yeah.
That I developed with time.
Yeah.
That happens with time. So that's
Yeah.
how it is, and everybody has seen this. Like,
Yeah.
so there are a lot of articles who've written on me. I've been on the magazine cover also a couple of times.
Mhm.
Everywhere, I think people like the fact that I'm so honest about my failures also.
Yeah.
It's not just the success that they see. They all know me since those days.
Yeah.
So I think that's where there is a connect
Yeah.
between the audience.
Yeah, makes sense. Like, how was your family when you told them that, you know, I don't want to do this.
Oh my god, oh my god, my family. So my parents are very serious. That way. They're very supportive.
Yeah.
But my mom is a bank manager. Now she's
Ah.
retired, but she's a bank manager at Bank of Maharashtra. She's had like a
Ah.
proper career, you know, she's been a very
Yeah.
strong, independent woman. And my
Mhm.
father is a doctor. So you know how
Yeah,
doctors
doctors
are, how
are,
serious
yeah.
doctors are.
Yeah.
And both of them are like, you are an independent person, you have to be this, you know, you are somebody, I'm expected to excel.
Yeah.
And I had people around me who were getting great job offers, and my mummy is
Mm.
like, usko itna package mil raha hai.
Yeah.
What are you earning today? And you know, it used to make me feel like that कि हाँ यार मुझे कुछ करना पड़ेगा.
Yeah.
My father though had no idea whatever I'm talking about. Like
Yeah.
Instagram क्या होता है यार, still he doesn't know. Now he knows because other people are talking about कि हाँ आपकी
Yeah.
बेटी वो करती
वो
है,
कर
follow
रही है.
करते हैं. Now ठीक है, he has understood.
Mhm.
5 years ago when I was just
Yeah.
stepping foot,
Yeah.
my father तो had no idea. He didn't even know. He's like हाँ कर रही है, कर अब क्या शादी होगी ना, ठीक है तू देख ले तेरा. हो गया. But when my mom is like तुझे करना है तो कर ले, but I want to do a job now that you're MBA, you have to get a job and then you can do this as a time pass.
Yeah.
And that actually that was my plan as well कि पहले MBA में job कर लेंगे, simultaneously ये कर लेंगे, no content
Yeah.
creation क्या ही है, reels तो करना है, photos तो करना है.
Yeah.
But yeah, ऐसा नहीं होता है. Since the thing you are getting serious about, you have to focus
You have to,
100%. It's not as easy as it looks. So it
Yeah.
was very difficult for me to manage my parents. But वो now they हो गए, मुझे पता था एक बार ना success आ जाएगा, एक बार चीजें होएगी वो दिखेगी.
दिखेगी.
And
Yeah.
now my mom knows, like she
Hmm.
has seen me being places. I've traveled for brands. I worked for such big brands
Mhm.
that now she actually knows what I was doing was real.
Yeah.
Now they're so proud of me. Now she
Yeah.
keeps telling me, "Arey, my बेटी is doing this, my daughter is doing this."
Yeah.
Now people come to her and ask कि यार उनको भी creator बनना है, आपकी बेटी से बात करवा दो ना,
हाँ.
थोड़ा tips चाहिए था, देने दो थोड़ा.
Yeah.
Now she's very proud. But
Yeah.
initially it was very tough. Yeah.
Yeah.
They're like आप clinic खोल, job भी कर और फिर ये time pass के लिए फिर ठीक है. But I was like नहीं
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं होता है. When you have a passion, now you finally realize what you
Yeah.
want to do. You have to give
You have
100%.
to, yeah.
You can't be 30% here and
Yeah.
20% there and then
Yeah, exactly.
10% here.
Yeah. So as you said that you started like a job first and then like gradually you shifted to content or like
No,
you
no.
directly.
I thought I would get a job after
Uh-huh.
my MBA,
Uh-huh.
but by then since COVID happened,
Oh,
the
right.
second year of my MBA we were at home only.
Mhm.
So already I had reached a space where I knew मुझे यही करना है. Job का time ही नहीं आया.
Yeah. Okay.
And while everybody was waiting for placements and for the job offers,
Mhm.
I was like, no, I already know what to do. I
What to
started
do,
my own Social Pass agency. Social Pass Media is the name of my agency. So we started
Yeah.
a digital marketing agency where we started taking brands. So we already had a lot of gear. Like we have the best camera, the best lighting, and I had me who I was good at scripting and
Yeah.
ideation. वो तो
Yeah.
मैं पूरा time Instagram पे ही रहती हूँ.
Hmm.
So we thought, why not just extend it to other brands, especially startups who want
Yeah.
to start their journey on Instagram. That's why we started Social Pass Media.
Yeah.
तो ये भी था मेरा खुद का कंपनी है. Plus I
Hmm.
had my own brands going on. Why do I need a job now? I am hiring people.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You are
I
creating
started-
jobs
Yeah,
now.
I'm creating jobs for
Yeah.
people.
For
And
sure.
that's so nice. So by the
Yeah.
end of second year, I was sure कि नहीं मुझे कोई जरूरत ही नहीं है, मैं अपना कर लूंगी अच्छे से. And I'm so happy.
Yeah.
I'm doing things on my own. I get time to do everything now.
Everything,
I
yeah.
can decide when I want to work and when I want to spend time with my son, or I just want to relax.
Yeah.
That is the best part about what I do.
Yeah, makes sense. So, is there like a prominent, you know, like one of the biggest challenges? First of all, I want to know that, you know, this whole major shift that you did of careers, is there like a major challenge that you feel that, you know, you overcame or had to face?
So yeah, like I said, कि going from science background to a fashion background was the biggest challenge.
Yeah.
And now my challenge was ठीक है Instagram पे brands तो बाहर तो आ ही रहे हैं,
Mm.
चीजें मुझे invites और restaurants वो तो हो ही रहा है, but how do I make money from it?
Yeah.
Now starting paid collaborations and actually getting my first paid brand deal, it was difficult.
Yeah.
We were not sure because we were तभी इतना now ठीक है influencer marketing has become a thing that is recognized. But
Yeah.
3-4 years back then it was
It
not like
wasn't.
that.
Yeah.
Influencers were doing everything for free. You
Yeah.
know, especially the small ones. Like I was small
Yeah.
ones. Even I didn't know how to start a paid association. And that was
Yeah.
one big challenge. How do I decide and how much should I charge also?
Yeah.
कितना charge करूँ? तो ये थोड़ा बहुत time लगा मुझे establish करने में.
Mhm.
But once you know, I started understanding the business. Like after a
Mhm.
couple of flops in the
Yeah.
collaborations, I realized यार ये तो बहुत कम charge किया था मैंने.
Yeah.
बहुत ज़्यादा कर सकते थे.
Yeah.
ये सब करने के बाद yes, now I've got a grip of the agency and the markets and how I'm supposed
Mhm.
to conduct myself. But it takes time.
It takes time.
Yeah, it takes time. Huh? And the
Mhm.
I mean, you need to earn enough so that you can say that you are a creator, you know.
Yeah.
इतना तो नंबर होना चाहिए, मेरे दिमाग में था, कैसे होगा? तो वो to work on your content and work that these are my charges, you know, you have to stick to them or not negotiate under this. ये सब करना बहुत important, and because there are creators who are ready to negotiate a lot. तो वो market को cut करके अपने आप को कैसे ऊपर रखाए? You can't always negotiate on the price. I definitely don't negotiate on the price that much. But what I do is I give a quality that other creators can't. That's where what's my standing point is.
Yeah. So maybe
to
that's
establish that takes time because there is a serious competition out there.
Yeah, makes sense. Yeah. Now, like you said that, you know, numbers matter. So like for you, how, like since when that became like, so like आज likes आ रहे हैं, इतने likes आ रहे हैं, इतने आने चाहिए, ये होना चाहिए. So that's a pressure that builds up, you know. So like how do you cope up with that? Because some days they're going to be, you said that some days they're going to be amazing, some days they're going to be, you know, mellow or maybe like a normal day. But then how do you cope up with that? Maybe in the initial days, because at that time you were starting, and then at that time, you know, validation is something that you crave, because once you have tasted like the validation, then maybe
you get disappointed.
So how did you manage during that time?
So what I do is like what I do usually, see, I used to feel very bad, but sometimes the Instagram algorithm changes. Okay? And because of that, your amazing content which could have performed great last week, I was so sure this week is not showing anything only. There are hardly any comments, hardly any likes and shares, and of course that's disappointing, especially with the branded content. Then you have to answer the brand also, no, why you're not getting that engagement. So that is one thing, but what can you do about it? I've understood it's a long game. Every 4-5 months में एक algorithm change आता ही है. So not get bothered by that much, because now I have got reels which have got million views. I've got a few reels which have got a few 100k views. But that's okay. I convince myself कि ये मेरी गलती नहीं है, ये Instagram algorithm की गलती है. And now we've started experimenting a lot with hooks. So what we've learned with a lot of research done online, for example, बहुत सारे reels और बहुत सारे creators देखते हैं, especially international, when they teach a lot. A lot of amazing creators. So we experiment on our hooks. We try to do something different, especially in the initial frame, first 3-4 seconds, and then throughout the video we try to keep giving some hook or something different. So this has started working a lot for me. This makes the audience engaged. So it keeps my likes and views also at a good pace.
Makes sense. But yeah, as you said, it's like a very changing industry. So like again, all these changes, like you have to be accustomed to, okay, today it will change, tomorrow again it will change. So how do you keep up with that? Because, you know, you have to be very, like, you are a creative person, but, you know, every time you have to think and create, and then one day you are writing the whole script, and then tomorrow you see something, oh my god, this might not work, I might do something else. So how is that process?
So when you mean to see my organic content or my branded content?
No,
organic content, na. So usually that's what I'm saying, I don't do the trends much. I stick to my own reels only. So my reels are either vlog, like the amazing things I do in a day, especially on the important days, or else it's a styling reel. चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, हम या तो ट्रेंडिंग म्यूजिक यूज करेंगे, पर मैं ज्यादा ट्रेंड्स फॉलो नहीं करती. I stick to what I do because that has been the start of my, that's what I know my fans like this. No matter what the trend going on, they love a styling reel. They love when I wear this kind of outfit. तो वो तो like a comment करेंगे ही. So that's what I follow. I don't go much for the trends, but I just stick to what has worked for me in the past, and that only works for me. That's a safe zone for me.
That what about then your branded content? Do you do it like the way you do it, or like you follow the trends over there?
The best part about the branded content is most of the brands give me my space, creative freedom, do what you want to do. Most, like you can say 80% of the brand. So there only I use my own space, and then yes, we do now started working on a lot of hooks and different ways of doing things. So we experiment more on the branded content, and the brands are actually agreeing to it. I'm so happy that the brands have also opened up about the change algorithm and how to keep it interesting. So if you see, my content is more about storytelling content. Even when I'm promoting a product, it's more about my story, how it's related to my life overall. So how do you keep, sometimes the storytelling gets boring and bland. So how do you keep that interesting and engaging? तो वो होते हैं hooks create करना, या तो visual हो या तो verbal हो. ये सब मैं ब्रांड को बताती हूँ कि मैंने ना एक कहीं तो पेज में देखा था, मैं ये करने को ट्राई करूंगी. Most of the brand is like okay, and if they don't like it, they, out of 4-5 ideas I give them, they approve one. Or else they give an idea from there and what they think works for me as per me. So that's how it's it's like a
It's
two-way
a
thing.
two-way
We
thing.
discuss whatever works the best. And like if
Mhm.
you see my recent campaign,
Yeah.
very for Nivea that I've done, I've
Yes.
used a very different hook, and that has worked
Yeah.
a lot on the reel.
Yeah.
It's performed very well.
Nice, amazing.
So
Touch wood.
thank God.
Yeah.
बच गई.
Yes. Yeah, makes sense. And how important is like community building for you, because you have such a huge number of followers. So I know that those are like gradual and organic followers, but then how do they, like, how important is that they stick around? Because the community is the most important thing. Likes and views, so they'll come, but like the core people that are always gonna see your content, how do you feel about them, and how you create such content for them?
Actually, I'm so grateful for my community. I don't know
Mhm.
how I got so lucky. They actually remember each and every aspect of my life. Even today, I get my followers. Like, I do speak to a few of my followers, so I don't like
Yeah.
ignore my DMs that much.
Yeah.
So, एक अच्छा follower है या जो बहुत अच्छे से बात करते हैं, उनको मैं response जरूर देती हूँ.
Yeah.
And there are such amazing people 5-6 years से जो मुझे follow कर रहे हैं.
Wow.
And they actually remember every aspect. आप मैम आप उधर गई थी ना, आपने ऐसा ये वाला ड्रेस पहना था. तो ये आपको याद है कि मैंने उधर ये
Wow.
पहना था. That is so sweet.
Yeah.
ये वो छोड़ो, कहीं तो बहुत कुछ हुआ था ना कि हाँ अपना वो अपने एक शूट में ना आपने ये किया था, तो वो भी आपको कितना अच्छा लग रहा है, बोले अभी कर रहे हो. इतना तो मुझे भी याद नहीं है मेरे बारे में जितना
Yeah.
आपको याद है. इवन मैंने
Yeah.
ट्रैवल्ड,
Yeah.
तो ये मैम आपने जो वो कंट्री में गए थे ना, तब आपने ऐसे किया था. तो ये सब मुझे डीएम्स आते हैं.
Wow.
Oh my God, and
Wow.
it's so nice that you remember this.
Yeah.
How do you remember? And actually show my husband and my team, you know what, this guy remembers that I've done this here
Yeah.
and all. It's amazing. And so to
Amazing.
keep them happy, so they have come to me because they liked my styling content
Yeah.
or my fun content. तो
Yeah.
वो तो मैं अभी भी करती हूँ, वही मैं बोल रही हूँ. It's been so many years that things have changed on Instagram. One thing is not changed is my people like my content this way.
Yeah.
I'm going to keep doing that.
Yeah.
I'm not going to go for the trends. I'm going to
Yeah.
go for my followers.
Your
That's
people,
how my
yeah.
engagement is always stable.
Yeah.
Because even in my regular reels also, I show my one part which is true to me.
Yeah.
तो वो स्पेशली मेरे
sense.
ऑर्गेनिक कंटेंट वो सिमिलर ही है.
Yeah.
जब 6 साल पहले भी देखोगे ना, मैं वैसी टाइप की रील्स बनाती हूँ. अभी भी
Yeah.
मैं वैसी बनाती हूँ. या तो लोकेशन चेंज हुआ है, तो आउटफिट चेंज हुआ है, पर
Yeah.
बेसिक बेस वही है मेरा.
Yeah.
So I'm not gonna do anything. I'm not gonna change my fashion into complete parenting. Now since I am
Yeah.
also a mom,
Yeah.
I do a lot of brands because my son gets a lot of brands.
Yeah.
He's already done, so many.
Yeah.
But मॉम क्रिएटर नहीं बनना है मुझे completely.
Yeah.
I am actually a fashion lifestyle creator. वो
Yeah.
मेरा कोर हमेशा रहेगा.
Yeah.
वो कंटेंट मेरा ऊपर रहना ही पड़ेगा.
Yeah.
Otherwise, when I become a complete mom creator, I lose myself. That's not my identity. That's not why I came
You
here.
started,
Right?
yeah.
I came to find it because of me, fashion and styling. So
Mhm.
that needs to be true throughout.
Yeah, makes sense. About your styling, you said you are into styling and you post content about styling. So, what is the creative process behind your stylings? So, like today, if you are going out, what is the process? What goes through your head, or how do you create a look?
So
Basically,
basically, what is the occasion for going? That is the main thing.
Main thing.
Where are you going?
yeah,
That is one thing. So if I'm going for a brand event, then I am, of course, I have to dress up as per the brand theme.
yeah,
वो तो है ही.
hmm.
Then whereas if I'm going for a regular mall with my son, then I'm wearing track pants and t-shirt. That is my style. And sport shoes. That is, and currently because I'm a more mom, even on a cocktail party, I'm wearing a gown and sport shoes.
Wow.
Literally, I'm in a cocktail party. I'm showing everybody, so this is what I'm wearing. And since I am known as a fashion person and an influencer and a creator,
Yeah.
everybody like, अरे ये तो बहुत मस्त लग रहा है, बहुत स्टाइल है. But normally मैं ऐसे पहन के जाती, सब बोलते हैं क्या पहन के आई, अभी कोई नहीं बोलता है ये. But this is my point is the
Yeah.
where you're going, that is important, and your
Hmm.
comfort.
And
Today
your
I
body.
cannot manage things wearing very deep neck
Yeah.
or wearing heels because I have to manage a son.
Yeah.
That is very important for me.
Yeah.
तो वो उसके हिसाब से I dress up and
Hmm.
always keep it stylish. That is always
Always there. Yeah.
yeah, you can look cool in track pants and t-shirts also.
Yeah.
Why not? Just
Yeah.
how you wear it, how confident you are in wearing it.
Yeah. So
That
I
is
think
the point.
confidence
Yeah,
is the most
that comes from inside. वो कुछ भी
Yeah.
पहनो, that's a confidence
confidence.
now, यार.
Yeah.
किसको पता है? तुम थोड़ी बोलोगे ये रूल्स है. हमारा रूल्स है, हमारा फैशन है, हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं.
Yeah, makes sense, makes sense. But what is, give me a look that is like totally you. Like, you'd feel like, yeah, this is a look that, defines me.
So usually, so right now, like I'm wearing a gown and a blazer on top.
Yeah.
Like a long dress with a slit and a blazer on top. That is totally me. So it's a
Hmm.
boss girl look,
Yeah.
So wherever I go, I know that this, like, I am the ruler of the room.
Yeah.
That is basically my vibe.
Yeah, makes sense.
Always.
Yeah, Makes sense. So like you have always been this confident on camera, or like it was again like a process of, you know, slowly getting used to it, or maybe, you know.
With camera, my love affair, my romance is since childhood, okay?
Okay.
ये Instagram आज आया, पर ये हमारा जो रिश्ता है कैमरा और मेरा, ये तो बहुत पहले से है. Photos with you, ask my mom and my parents how annoying I am, and I fight with my parents. तो कैसे फोटो निकालते हैं आपको पता है, सर काटते, ये काटते, मतलब मेरे अलावा और सब कुछ होगा फोटो में. How much I've troubled her during all the trips because कैमरा के फोटोज अच्छे नहीं आए. And that was my whole world even before online was a thing.
Yeah.
It was, I used to post on Orkut, if you remember.
Oh yes.
Orkut. I used to go on Orkut. I used to post on Facebook very religiously as if I'm an influencer myself. I was nothing back then. और बहुत सीरियसली पोस्ट करती थी और सारी दुनिया को पता है मैं इधर जाके आई हूँ बिकॉज इतने फोटो करती है. और मेरे हस्बैंड भी कभी ऑफिस में बोल के नहीं जाते थे कहाँ जा रहे, बिकॉज आंसर करना पड़ता है ना. घूमने जा रहे तभी बोलते थे अरे कुछ सीरियस है गया है. और मैं मस्त फोटो डाल रही हूँ, रिजॉर्ट में बैठी हूँ, एकदम रोमांटिक फोटोज डाल रही हूँ बिकिनी में बीच में. और अच्छा बेटा आप इमरजेंसी फैमिली इमरजेंसी से जा रहे हो, आपकी बीवी को फॉलो करेंगे तो सब समझेगा किधर हो आप. तो ऐसा है मेरा. I was always like this. This is born and my son is exactly like me. I'm so happy. He's like this.
So like you were an influencer way before you were influencer was a term.
Yeah, I was myself an influencer way before it was a thing. Now I do it as a career.
Yeah.
ये बाद में आया, मैं पहले से थी.
Yeah, makes sense. And like you said about traveling.
Yeah,
so
I love traveling.
when did it start? Like was that from your parents, something that, you know?
My
or
mom, she loves traveling. So even when I was 6 months old, she tells me कि I had to taken you like this only for 10 days. And तभी तो इतना कुछ luxury था ही नहीं. Hotels कुछ भी रहते थे, हम train में travel करते थे, बिंदास से लेके जाती थी. यही मम्मी का है, अभी भी she does that.
Yeah.
She goes in a month, she travels I think 6 to 7 times abroad also.
Oh wow.
She just goes, She doesn't care for the world. war चल रहा है, कुछ नहीं चल रहा है. Madam यही, she was in Srinagar last week.
Wow.
Srinagar, then she went to Ladakh. That has, I used to go everywhere. I love traveling so much, but not that much also. कि I just keep going every month, obsessed about traveling. तो ऐसे करते करते 26 countries तो छोड़ो, आप cover entire country. India मैंने सब खत्म कर दिया है. क्या बचा सिर्फ मेरा, सिर्फ लद्दाख और I think एक कोई तो जगह बची रहेगी. I think कन्याकुमारी बची है. ये दो चीजें छोड़ के आप also
like
cover the entire
the top.
country.
Only the opposite ends.
Yeah, 2 ends are left. Otherwise, I've done. I've been to Kashmir. I've been everywhere.
Yeah.
You tell me which state you want. I've been there. That's when I'll be doing. आप इधर चलते हैं. मेरा हो गया है यार. अरे इधर चलता है, मेरा हो गया है यार. कुछ ऐसी जगह तो किधर नहीं हुआ है. तेरे को कहाँ जाना है फिर अभी? बोला अरे मम्मी सब जगह लेके गई है. क्या करूँ यार? कुछ बचा ही नहीं है करने को.
Yeah. So how is it traveling with your mother? Like, is it like, you know, maybe different from your friends, but how is that experience? Because she loves traveling. So like, how is that experience?
So before now, it is now different. But before, I used to get conned for traveling. Okay, so she used to tell me we're going for a trip, but she used to end up taking me to some temples only. तो वहाँ पे कोई तो टेम्पल ढूंढने, कोई भी स्टेट ढूंढो, वहाँ के कोई तो टेम्पल ढूंढ के मुझे तो पूरा दिन टेम्पल्स में घुमाती थी. यार ये क्या घूमना हुआ, ये थोड़ी घूमना है, मुझे तो बीच जाना है, माउंटेन जाना है, ये करना है. This is not traveling for me. So then I put a condition after I realized I'm an adult, I can do these things. I'm like, if I'm going to temples and I'm not coming, I want to enjoy. Temple ठीक है, एक हाथ बार घूम लिया, but that cannot be the entire itinerary of a product. My parents are like that only. They join religious things with fun trips and call it a holiday.
Yeah.
Now she's changed. So now she like balances the two, and that's when I go with her.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah, that is also before Aru. Now I don't travel that much.
Yeah, you said.
So yeah, before Aru, Then she used to be like, नहीं don't worry, इतने temples नहीं है, एक आधा दूसरा है बस trip में, बाकी हम बस घूमेंगे, इधर जाएंगे, घूमेंगे, मस्त photos लेके आओ. Like चलो dad, I am nice.
So like that's why I think you would be like, okay, now I don't want to do this. Let's do this. Maybe let's try that, because they've never tried like, you know, going out just like that, just for fun. Because for them it is like, you know, normal only कि हाँ भगवान के उधर ही तो जाएंगे और कहाँ जाएंगे,
दर्शन लेना है, आशीर्वाद लेना है ना, वो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है. गणपति भी हमने आई थिंक सभी गणपति टेम्पल्स में है कि कोई ऐसा है ही नहीं गणपति टेम्पल जो बचा है. बताओ कहाँ पे? महाराष्ट्र में there are I think 9 or 8 major ones have completed all multiple times.
Wow.
Yeah, I have done all this when before I was 10th. Before 10th only I finished all this.
Wow.
क्या बचा मेरा करने?
Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, so like now that you are traveling, you know, now you have like the freedom of choosing where to go and what to do. So what is your basic timeline, or like what is the trip look like?
So, you mean number of days?
Number
Or
of
how?
days, and then what, like, how early do you start your day, and then, like, you know, do you cover the most iconic places, or do you go to the, you know, offbeat places, or like,
Okay.
is it a, how
So
do you
that
choose
depends
a place?
hard. So this entirely, if it's a super fun trip or a very organized trip, depends on whom I'm going with. So with my mom, again, though it's not that much temples now, it's still
Yeah.
very organized. So her agenda is to cover each and every point
Yeah.
fastest.
Oh,
like
yeah.
एक दिन में मतलब जितने points cover करो उतना successful trip है.
Successful.
ये है concept. Whereas if I'm traveling with my husband,
Mhm.
उनका ऐसे कुछ नहीं है. उनके लिए आराम से उठो, एक खाता point हुआ तो हुआ, कहीं chill करने जाएंगे, खाएंगे, एकदम
Yeah.
relax, totally opposite to my mom.
Yeah.
So with whom I'm traveling, that is the difference.
Difference,
But
yeah.
my personal preference is a mix of both. I want to cover iconic places also. I want to chill also.
Yeah.
Yeah, but then there time is a factor, no? Especially when you're
Yeah.
abroad, each day costs you
Costs
so much.
you, yeah.
So depending upon how big the country is, first of all, that's how the timeline is there. So if it's a country like Bali, तो वो मतलब इंडोनेशिया बाली, तो
Yeah.
वो 5-6 दिन में हो जाता है सब कुछ इजीली रिलैक्स तरीके से कवर हो जाता है. ऐसे घाई नहीं, सुबह 6 बजे उठो
Yeah.
और फिर सब कवर करो एक एक करके, आराम से you can cover everything.
Mhm.
But whereas it's a vast country like Vietnam, you will
Mhm.
need 10 days,
10
15
days, yeah.
days. हाँ.
Mhm.
But उतना दिन नहीं मिल पाता है काम से.
Yeah.
You know, you have to shoot a lot coming back, and even
Yeah.
everybody else has their work commitments.
Yeah.
So we just decide whatever is the best thing we can do,
Mm-hmm. Yeah, makes sense.
and accordingly we do it.
Yeah. So, like, is there like the one of the best stories that you have from travel? Like, you know, like the most iconic, or maybe
Okay,
you know?
okay, I have this answer.
Yeah.
Yeah. So my iconic one, the best one was of course my
Yeah.
honeymoon. Okay.
Yeah.
So we went to Australia,
Mhm.
and that was I was like, that's the first international trip
Yeah.
without my mom, right?
Yeah.
So it was completely different. We did
Yeah.
everything whatever we wanted to. We didn't never decided anything.
Mhm.
On the spot हम next day का booking करते थे.
Yeah.
कार भी हमने ऐसी ऑस्ट्रेलिया जाके बुकिंग कर ली.
Yeah.
हम स्काई डाइविंग भी हमने ऐसी बुकिंग कर ली. स्काई डाइविंग फॉर 14,000 फुट. I jumped. I don't know how I did all this.
Yeah.
Then वो balloon ride भी कर लिया. One day पहले हम करते थे. Literally we were going with the flow, and there was
Wow.
no pressure of getting up in the morning, and used to
Yeah.
drink till late night. It was amazing. That was best.
Best.
And the best part about the trip is it was so relaxed. We were never so relaxed in our lives after the honeymoon. Okay.
Yeah.
We both were very
In the
stressed
world.
about our own careers and
Yeah.
life later on. But
Mhm.
honeymoon was one thing. Now we literally relaxed so much.
Yeah.
And we booked a car, a lovely red color car. I forgot which car it was. But a
Mhm.
lovely car. We went to countryside. We were driving by ourselves. My husband is an amazing driver. Okay, the best driver in the world.
Wow.
I trust myself so much with him when he's driving.
Yeah.
And yeah, we were driving. It was so good. We were literally stopping at parks and just having burgers, French fries. Literally, there were kangaroo parks in Australia. We were
Wow.
playing with the kangaroos. The kangaroos
Wow.
were hitting us also in return. It was it was the best trip ever
Yeah.
because it was.
Mhm.
With no timeline, nothing ना जाओ enjoy करो आओ इतना relax मैंने कभी नहीं
Yeah.
किया है. Even though relax बोल के physically it was very exhausting because in
Exhausting, yeah.
Australia you have to walk a lot.
Yeah.
Again this is a walking country, you know.
Yeah,
to keep
yeah.
on foot. तो
Mm.
वो बहुत यार full relax बोल के भी हम बहुत चलते थे.
चलते हैं,
एक खाना खाने के लिए भी हमको कहीं कहीं बहुत दूर दूर जाना पड़ता था कभी
Yeah.
कभी. But that's okay. Like mentally we were relaxed. That was the best trip. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my god, nice. So, like, you have traveled to 26 countries, right? Maybe more now. I
Yeah.
don't know. But fashion in every country would be different.
Yeah.
So, like, guide me through that. Like, how was that, and how did
Okay.
you plan your outfits? You know?
Of course, like as a girl going to a
Yeah.
country, it's your duty 1 month before you have to do a research about how many days you're going. Minimum
Yeah.
2 outfits per day.
Yeah.
Okay, and what are you going to wear? It has to be as per the country style, right?
Yeah,
you can't just
exactly.
wear your regular clothes.
Yeah.
And you have to shop, right? ऐसे
Yeah.
नहीं कि उधर जाके शॉपिंग करेंगे, वो तो अलग है. उधर
Yeah.
जाके तो करनी है शॉपिंग.
Yeah, yeah.
तो तुम्हारे दिन के 2 कपड़े तो होने चाहिए.
होने चाहिए.
तो
Yeah.
मेरा कहीं भी जाता है तो इतना सारा लगेज मेरा होता है और
Hmm.
मेरे साथ मेरे हस्बैंड आ रहे हैं तो इतना सा उसका कहीं तो सेक्शन बन जाता है. और if my mom is coming, she also has a tiny bag.
Yeah.
For me, I have literally a fashion
wardrobe.
suitcase with
Yeah.
3 types of hats, 4 types of shoes. Now, अभी हर outfit के साथ shoes तो जाना चाहिए ना.
Yeah.
My packing is everybody is so scared of my packing because I have huge bags that come with me.
Yeah.
So Australia का भी weather थोड़ा India जैसा ही है.
Yeah.
Vibe. So yeah, you can
Mhm.
wear shorts. You can wear. The shopping is also so good. You know, literally reasonable street shop points were there.
Mhm.
So I picked up a lot of things from Australia. But otherwise,
Mhm.
if I'm going to Europe, then it's all about jackets and
Yeah.
long boots and coats and
Yeah.
you know, the vibe, European vibe is
Yeah,
different.
yeah.
And if I'm going to Bali, it's all about the beaches
Tropical.
and tropical, the
Yeah.
sarongs and the beachwear and
Mm.
loose and lovely clothes with a lot of hats
Yeah.
and sandals.
and
Big-
flowers and like
flowers and
greens
everything.
and
हाँ
yeah.
बहुत बड़ा रिसर्च होता है बाबा कंट्री
Yeah.
में जाना है तो मेरा हेडेक इज व्हाट डू आई वेयर आई डोंट केयर अबाउट द पासपोर्ट आई डोंट केयर फ्लाइट टिकट
Visa.
वीजा वो कोई और देखता है या तो मम्मी देखती है वरना हस्बैंड देखता है वरना पता नहीं अपने आप हो जाता
हो
है
जाता है
तो
yeah.
कपड़े कौन डिसाइड करेगा मेरा मुझे ही करना
Yeah.
पड़ेगा ना वो
Yeah,
बहुत
yeah.
इंपॉर्टेंट है एयरपोर्ट लुक्स
Oh
How
yeah.
important is airport look, dude? You buy an airport look so that you click at the airport, so everybody has to know, right?
No,
You
that you are going
somewhere.
out.
You cannot go without an airport look.
Yeah.
That is the first post that's gonna go,
Go
and
on.
then you're gonna torture your followers with every day to post कि क्या पहना मैंने ये पहना ये
Yeah.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
that is one thing. Yeah, my
Yeah.
packing is very
Very
scary,
scary.
but that's what you do if you're a girl. You need
Yeah,
you
you need
outfit.
clothes.
You
Yeah.
can't wear one outfit full day, right?
Yeah.
It's supposed to. You will sweat, you'll dirty the outfit. एक morning look और एक evening look
Evening
अलग
look
होना ही
चाहिए.
पड़ेगा.
Yeah.
ये तो बेस ये तो इन्फ्लुएंसर होने से पहले ही
पहले
मैं
ही-
करती थी ये कुछ बदला नहीं है इधर ये सेम पहले भी करती थी अभी से ज्यादा लोग देख रहे हैं
Zyada, yeah. Makes sense. And even with the jewelry also you have
yeah,
to.
अब so many jewelry options you need to keep right
Yeah.
हर चीज में अलग अलग पढ़ना पड़ेगा वो भी
Yeah.
इतना रिपीट कर सकते हैं बट इतना नहीं ना थोड़ा तो आइकॉनिक
Yeah.
होना चाहिए
In
ना
one
statements
trip,
हमारे.
like yeah.
होने चाहिए ना यार और
Yeah,
थोड़ा
yeah.
स्पेस रहना चाहिए कि उधर खरीदा और पहना
हाँ.
बट एटलीस्ट 90% of your looks should be there
Yeah.
I think
Like
this is a
pre-planned
rule.
से हाँ.
This is a rule for
Yeah.
a woman
Women,
traveling for
yeah.
a trip. You need 2 outfits minimum.
Yeah. Yeah.
Can be 3 depending on what you're doing at night. If you're
Yeah.
going partying, then can be 3 also.
Can be 3, yeah. Like fine dining and then partying. And
Yeah.
then like,
And you cannot repeat. Trip में तो you can't
Okay.
repeat. It's a big no-no.
Yeah.
Life में करो.
Yeah.
घर पे को करना है करो. Trip पे तो कुछ अलग पहनना ही पड़ेगा.
Yeah, yeah. Makes sense. So yeah. So again, which country's style did you like the most?
I loved Europe. So London was my favorite city in terms of styling. Oh my God, the
Mhm.
women there, their
Mhm.
styling, their clothes, and just the way they are, the cappuccinos and the croissants. And their skin and their outfits is so beautiful. Paris to tha, but I found Paris was a little over crowded and overrated in a way because
Yeah.
it's not that amazing. It is
Yeah.
not that amazing anymore.
Yeah, like there
Okay.
are still dirty streets.
Yeah,
and,
because of the refugees and migrants and all, वो बहुत चोरियाँ बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. I think
Yeah.
लंदन में हर जगह होती है.
Yeah.
But still, sorry, यूरोप में हर जगह होती है.
Yeah.
But still, London has its own charm that you cannot beat. It's the best city in the
Yeah.
world. I feel. I would
Yeah.
love to live there one day
Yeah, nice.
for sure.
Yeah, makes sense. And what about the food? Like, are you like a big foodie or do you want like desi
Big
khana?
foodie. Yeah, I
Okay.
love the desi khana. That is
Mhm.
number 1 for me. Even abroad, I look for Indian restaurants. Honestly,
Mhm.
I love eating their authentic food. Like maybe once, twice.
फिर
2-3
तो
days के बाद मुझे मेरा दाल
खुद
चावल ही
का
चाहिए यार.
चाहिए.
दाल चावल चाहिए या तो I carry packs with me जो घर
Yeah.
को रूम में बना सकते हैं.
Yeah.
नहीं तो I look for Indian restaurants everywhere. And the best part about being an Indian is you get Indian restaurants
Everywhere.
Except
Yeah.
for Korea, we had a horrible time in Korea locating Indian restaurants. There are only 2 Indian
Mhm.
restaurants, I think, 2. Especially Busan, हाँ.
Busan.
The
Yeah.
city called Busan.
Yeah, yeah.
वहाँ पे Indian restaurant एक ही है पूरे city में एक
Oh my
Indian
God.
restaurant है. It's that bad.
Oh my god. Yeah.
It's
makes
difficult
sense.
being a vegetarian and if you love to travel
Travel,
so much.
yeah.
I'm so glad I'm not. Because vegetarian जो मेरे friend थे
Yeah.
उसको बहुत तकलीफ हुई कुछ
Yeah,
खाना ही नहीं
yeah.
मिला उसको राइस ही खा रहा था सिर्फ
Yeah, either rice or either you are going to have some vegan option, and then
Yeah.
vegan are also not that.
No, yaar,
Yeah.
everything has animal oil.
Yeah,
Something
yeah.
is there. In Korea, so you cannot trust vegetarian
Yeah,
food.
even in Europe you can.
Even in Europe,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
can't. Nah.
You
It's very
can't.
difficult
Yeah.
for them to survive.
Yeah, it's either like French fries or like
Burgers,
falafels.
French fries,
Yeah.
हाँ, ना कितना खाओगे?
Yeah, yeah.
Best is Dubai.
Yeah,
कोई tension
you get
नहीं है.
everything.
हाँ,
Yeah.
ना, वो तो इंडिया ही है मुझे लगता है. Advanced India. I think India. 20-30 years
Yeah.
ahead is what Dubai is.
Dubai is, I know. Yeah,
हाँ, food
makes
में
sense.
tension नहीं. Fashion also number 1 in fashion.
Yeah.
Like now, तो you can wear dress up. Everything you get in Europe. Dubai was an amazing trip because इतना पास है इंडिया के
Yeah.
और इतना छोटे सा है सब हो जाता है.
सब हो
It's so luxury. I love it. I love the
Yeah.
malls. I love the fashion. I love everything about Dubai. Just the weather I don't like. What can you do?
Yeah, even we live in India. India is also hot. I think.
India is also hot. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's okay. But Dubai में कैसे सब air conditioned ही है.
Yeah.
So it's fun.
Yeah, it's fun.
It's fun.
Yeah.
It's fun.
Makes sense. You said that Dubai is a luxury place, right?
Yeah, I love Dubai.
So, what does luxury mean to you when you say that this is a luxury for me?
So in terms of lifestyle or in terms of products?
Both.
So in terms of life, luxury for me is choice, having the choice. So in terms of life, luxury for me is having the choice to do something or not to do something.
Mhm.
Today, if I want to get up and not work, that is luxury for me. And if I can do that, that is luxury for me.
Yeah.
I have made that much space for myself or that much in my career that I cannot just not do anything.
Yeah.
That very few people have today.
Mm-hmm.
That is luxury for me in terms of life and lifestyle.
Lifestyle,
In
yeah.
terms of products, I do have a few luxury bags. Of course, I can say honestly, I do have.
Yeah.
But I still believe in shopping I have brands that I have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 rupee handbags also, and I very proudly wear it. Because it's again how you wear, who wears it?
Who wears
Like,
it, yeah.
if a person who's very confident, you can just keep repeating her outfit or a handbag or a shoes and still look great in every look.
Yeah.
That is what luxury is to me.
Yeah. So like, do you more focus on the timelessness of
Exactly,
a piece?
pieces, timeless
Yeah.
pieces, which
Timeless
can be like
pieces.
one piece which can be look like a beige color bag or a brown color handbag or something with which is so polished with minimum prints,
Yeah.
which can go with all your
All your
outfits,
outfits, yeah.
which will actually elevate every look. That is something which I will prefer spending on.
Yeah.
Because मेरा demand ही इतना है यार, every reel में मुझे 1 या 2 या 3 outfits रहते हैं, handbags भी
Yeah.
अलग-अलग use करने पड़ते हैं. I can't have very specific looking handbag like
Yeah.
one color, a lot of prints.
Yeah.
But I need to have pieces which look good in every occasion.
occasion, yeah.
Yes, that
Makes
is,
sense.
yeah.
Yeah, makes sense. So like, which brand do you think is like, you know, matching to your taste
So
in terms of
currently-
luxury?
So currently I like this brand called House of Serene.
Mm-hmm.
Their handbags are really good. They're made of
yeah.
plant vegan. I have their
Mhm.
bag as well with me right now.
Uh-huh.
The House of Serene, I love their handbags.
Yeah.
They're very nice. They're luxury. They're
Mhm.
minimalistic.
Yeah.
And they look good with all your outfit. Evening
Yeah.
look, morning look, some looks.
Amazing. Let's go. I think it's a French brand, right?
It's an Indian
Celine.
brand.
Celine?
House of Serene. Yeah.
Oh, no, not just the Celine. Okay,
No,
so
no,
the House of Celine.
is an
It's a
Indian
different thing.
brand.
Oh,
Yes,
wow.
yes. I love their brands. I love their
Nice.
handbags.
Nice. Damn. I did not know about that. Thank you. Now I'll go check it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, makes sense.
Definitely do.
Yeah.
The bags are really good.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So like with jewelry as well, do you prefer like, you know, minimal jewelry or like dainty or like what is your vibe like?
Depends on the outfit I'm wearing.
Uh-huh.
I love loud jewelry. At the same time, I love minimalistic jewelry as well. So
Mhm.
depend on the outfit again.
Mhm.
Sometimes when your outfit is very sober, you need
Mhm.
something loud to pop out, to look good as an overall set. And sometimes when your outfit is already doing the magic, you don't need
Yeah.
anything loud to add to the
Overpower.
noise. Yeah, you need minimalistic. So I have
Mhm.
both
Mm-hmm.
jewelry options.
Yeah.
So depending on the outfit I'm wearing and the mood that I have right now. So if
Mhm.
I'm in a very happy mood, I'll wear something loud.
Yeah.
Nice, and the color also will
Pop,
actually it matches
yeah.
with my mood. If I'm very happy that day,
Mhm.
you will see in the outfit कि हाँ नहीं
Yeah.
कुछ तो extra करके आई है, आज तो बहुत
Yeah.
खुश है.
Yeah.
Because immediately you come and if I'm really sad that Aru has given me a tough time at home, I
Mm.
literally change the dressing. I come in really like a slog and all, and it actually
Yeah.
shows in my face.
Yeah.
Everything is dressed down, if I'm not in a
Yeah.
good mood.
Yeah, but that actually gives, you know, so much of authenticity, I feel, that, you know, in the end, like we feel it through your content after that, okay, yeah, she's not maybe having a good day today.
Yeah. Sometimes in my story also you can see people ask me why is your face like this. I was like that's
Yeah.
how my day is. Yeah. आरू सोया नहीं है रात भर, मैं कैसे खुशी खुशी उठूं? सुबह मैं सो नहीं सकती, रात भर वो सोने नहीं देता है, कैसे खुश रहो? ये है ही है शक्ल आज का.
Yeah. But yeah, balancing all this, how do
Yeah.
you keep up with it, and like how do you ground yourself?
Aru grounds me honestly as of now.
Mm-hmm.
No matter what I do, he's like me on my mama first.
Yeah.
So don't dance around so much. But otherwise, in terms of success and work, how I ground myself is my mom, I think.
Mm-hmm.
No matter what I do, she's like, अरे तुम्हें कुछ नहीं है, मैंने तो तुम्हारे एज में ये किया था करके, ये करके दिखाओ ऐसे, ये तो कुछ नहीं है, उससे और करना है. Don't get too happy. Even if I get a like big collaboration with a big brand, I'm very happy and
Yeah.
excited. She's like, okay, happy. Let it first happen completely. Let's then dance, celebrate about it. Don't decide. I am a person very impulsive.
Yeah.
कुछ अच्छा हो गया मतलब नाच के सबको बताना, अरे पता है मेरे साथ ये क्या हुआ. That's what everybody my team also tells me. Don't get so excited also, because then the heartbreak is also bigger.
Yeah.
So yeah, I have people to ground me around me. Even my husband is the same. Even if I'm very excited, I got so many campaigns this month. She's like, relax. Abhi, you remember this. The next month, if you don't cry. Just remember you have
this
at good
yeah.
days. So yeah, that's
Yeah.
how I ground. I have people around me. They get too excited. They actually feel like, please be okay. Even I have my friend also, Harish, who keeps telling me like, you should be like this. No matter what happens.
Yeah.
Even if you're happy, you should be like this. Even if you're sad, you should be like this, like one level.
Yeah.
Like you, it's nice to preach, but I can
I
never
cannot
be
do
that.
that.
That's not me. But mentally, you will be happiest if you are like.
I
I don't know how to be like this.
Yeah, but yeah, being expressive is also something that is
yeah.
yeah.
I can't help it. When I'm
Yeah.
sad, also everybody knows. If I'm unhappy, also everybody knows around me.
Oh my god, yeah. But that is something that makes you.
Exactly. I
Yeah.
can't change
You
that.
can't change that, yeah.
And I'm very happy for people who can
Yeah.
control their emotions. Like even my
Hmm.
husband is someone who can
Hmm.
really control his emotions.
Mhm.
उनको देख के कभी समझेगा ही नहीं if he's angry or happy or sad. Same ही रहते हैं हर time. कैसे कर लेते
But
हो
then that
यार?
is so much confusion. Like आज
हाँ.
क्या है इनको, like
खुश
you know?
क्यों नहीं हो? तुम्हारे साथ इतना अच्छा हुआ है और
Yeah.
तुम दुखी क्यों नहीं हो? हमारे साथ इतना बुरा
बुरा
हुआ
हुआ
है.
है, yeah.
नहीं ठीक है, देख लेंगे,
हो जाएगा.
Thanks to him, I'm like that actually. And with my mom,
Yeah.
huh?
Yeah.
I cannot have somebody like me as a partner. Of
Yeah.
course, we are gonna explode.
Yeah.
So he's literally balancing me out. I'm so grateful
Yeah,
to
oh
be
my
like
God.
this. Yeah,
Yeah.
to be the same.
But that is also important because like there should be some kind of a balance in life.
Exactly.
Yeah. But it's good that you have your family and your friends
Very
that
supportive.
help you ground also, that on days that are bad they are there with you, on days that are good they are more than happy,
Yeah, they are
and
my
then like
supporters.
yeah,
Bad days.
so-
Especially the ones who are
yeah.
there with your bad days now. Because I've
Mhm.
had my share of bad days.
yeah.
And I've had some people in my life who just stood by me. They
Yeah.
are the ones who have made me today,
Yeah.
Because the personality that I have, I'm so impulsive.
Yeah.
Yeah, I tend to make a lot of wrong decisions. Impulsive decisions you make. People like me, we are always
Yeah.
doing, and that's what you're not supposed to make any important decision when you're happy and
Or
when
sad.
you're sad or angry.
Yeah.
But what to do?
Yeah.
Decisions तभी आते हैं रहने
Yeah.
क्या बोलूं? So they have like
Yeah.
control. Don't say anything. Even if you're angry, don't say. कल बात करो.
Yeah, take a
इससे-
day.
हाँ,
Yeah.
हाँ, कल बात करो, कल react
Yeah.
करो. Maybe you'll say something better in terms of word instead of just spoiling the relation.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll say something which is new, solvable.
Yeah. Yeah. But with brands as well, like, have you ever did like a campaign that you didn't want to do, that did not speak about you, but it were maybe like initial days that you
Yeah.
had to do it
Yeah,
just to get there.
yeah.
But how did that make you feel?
I felt bad. Like there have been a few brands it didn't vibe with me much, but maybe the commercials were good, so I did it. Or maybe because I needed that thing because कुछ नहीं था ज़्यादा वो मैंने, that's why I did it. But yes, I did feel bad after doing it कि यार ये तो मेरा vibe था ही नहीं, मैंने क्यों किया? But then I said ठीक है, उसके लिए उसको cover up करने के लिए मैं बहुत बाकी post करती हूँ ताकि वो make me feel happy. So since that content didn't make me that happy, I will actually make something next week which will make me very happy. तो वो भूल जाती हूँ.
Yeah, makes sense.
हाँ, just because content is content, you have to make every day anyways. I can't be 100% happy with all my content, right?
Yeah.
Not everything can be well because at this rate I am creating at least 15 reels a month.
Yeah.
Not every reel I'm gonna love.
Yeah.
You have to get over it. It's okay.
Yeah.
Make another one which is 5 times better than the
Better,
previous one, and you are sorted.
Yeah, makes sense. And now that you said that, luxury of choosing.
Yeah.
So like,
Choosing,
how is it
that is
different now
everything.
to say no to a brand because you don't resonate with it, or like, you don't want to do what they are saying?
It feels so good. So it's exactly. So 4-5 years ago, I would have not had this stand of saying no to some things I am not okay with. But today, this is the luxury. I am okay. I know I have this much coming in. So I can say no to this. Then only.
Yeah.
Otherwise, what standing are you saying no?
Yeah.
आपको पता होना चाहिए कि पीछे से इतना काम है, तो
है.
मैं इस काम को नहीं बोल सकती हूँ.
Yeah.
है ना, वरना anybody who's ready to pay you for your services, you should ideally do it. If it's okay enough to do it. Right?
Yeah.
But yes, that is my luxury today. I have come to a stand where I say no to things which I'm not comfortable with, and luckily the brands are okay with it. Like they also like, even if certain brand I like it, I don't like the concept, I put my foot down. Nahi, this is not vibing with me.
Yeah.
This particular concept is not okay with me. So the brands do agree, and that's what I love.
Yeah. I
to
think
be honest.
that is also changing now. That like,
Brands have become very accepting and understanding, and they also understand that they've come to the creator for their creativity and not just promoting the product. They've come to me because they've seen something in me that they would like me to do the product. Like तो वो authenticity होनी चाहिए, वरना it's like a sales ad.
Yeah.
Sales ad ही है, ऐसे थोड़ी चलेगा.
Yeah.
हमको we are a creator, like we are not like an ad artist. वो तो नहीं है.
Yeah. So like your day, take me through your day, like from like morning to the end.
Okay.
Like how is it, like how do you plan your days?
So on a shoot day or a free day?
Both.
Depends. So on a shoot day, it depends when my videography. So shoot dates are decided 2-3 days in advance. कि ये दिन shoot है suppose. तो suppose कल मेरे 2 shoots है. The morning में I'll get up. Like now my son goes to daycare for 2 or 3 hours a day. The morning में I'll get up at around 9 o'clock. and my son also gets up around that time. My husband drops him
Yeah.
to daycare. So now I have these 2-3 hours to be super productive. Okay.
Yeah.
So in that much time, I have to finish and get ready
Yeah.
completely myself. I have to get ready to finish having my coffee, and then my team comes in. तो मेरा मेकअप वेकअप तैयार करके सेट थोड़ा तैयार होना पड़ेगा, और वो 2-3 घंटे में हमको या तो 1 या तो 2 शोज खत्म करने होंगे. And then I go to gym if possible.
Yeah.
So 12 o'clock or something, if I hardly get time, but yeah, 3 to 4 times I try to see that I work out. And then go to gym. I come back at 1:32. Till that time my nanny comes and gets my son also at home. Then he goes to sleep. Then I try to relax, and if there is no time to relax, we sit for editing.
Yeah.
The full day we are editing तो कितने भी घंटे चल जा सकते हैं.
Yeah.
वो हो गया. उसके बाद if I have to post that day, then I go on and post at 6 o'clock or something. And then post नहीं करना है तो फिर then just chill that time.
Yeah.
Then my son goes down for a walk, for his evening walk for 1 or 2 hours. That is again a free time slot I get.
Yeah.
I watch some TV series wherever, because I know once
Yeah.
he comes home, my day is over.
Yeah.
But I have a lot of, currently I'm watching Rookie. I'm loving those TV series.
Yeah.
Okay, I love it. I'm obsessed. So I'm actually binge watching Rookie.
Yeah.
तो Rookie देखते देखते या कोई भी TV series देखते देखते 1 hour I watch whatever I have to watch, and then I'm back to being a mom. So from 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. to 11 to 12. Whenever my son decides to sleep, I'm just running behind him. I'm like a crazy person. Aru, don't do this. Aru, I no karu. Aru, te no karu. Don't eat that cockroach, Aru. That is not food. Don't burn yourself, Aru. Life is not to be played with, Aru. Everything. He just goes, don't go for the switches, shock. He'll always go for the most deadly option available. और तुम क्या क्या खुद प्रोटेक्ट करोगे, क्या क्या बेबी प्रूफ करोगे, सब पूरा घर बेबी प्रूफ किया है, फिर भी मेरा बेबी इतना डेडली है, कहीं भी पहुंच के खुद को हार्म करता ही है.
Yeah.
So 1 second I blink, and then he's on the dining table, you know, dancing. Arey, hi mama, karke what? I come down, come. And he's like 1, 2, 3. This is a symbol. If he says 1, 2, 3,
He's
he's
just
jumping.
jump.
He's like, mama, 1, 2, 3. I'm like, what? Wait, I have to reach there. 1, 2, 3, one jump. Mama, 1, 2, 3 jump. I'm like, that's how I manage. यार मैं क्या लड़का है. Then he has dinner at around 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
And then we again play, we fight, we cry, and then we sleep. He sleeps at around 11. He's also late sleeper. Look at him, यार.
Yeah.
11 o'clock, 12 o'clock के पहले उसको नींद नहीं आती है. Even
Oh
though he
my God.
sleeps in the afternoon for 1 or 2 hours only. मस्त हमारे जैसा ही है, चिल मारता है. और उसके पापा अगर जल्दी आए घर पे तो हमारे साथ चिल मारता है वो. ऐसे ही समथिंग टॉक जॉनी यस पापा ABCD ये सब हो गया. कार्स के साथ खेल के हो गया. Then he'll finally think, okay, let's have troubled everybody enough for the day. Let's just rest.
Yeah.
Then
अब कल
he
करेंगे.
sleeps. हाँ, अभी कल वापस करना है ना.
कुछ अलग लेके
कुछ
आएंगे.
अलग डिस्ट्रक्शन लाते हैं. His toys he breaks in 24 hours. That's a
Wow.
24-hour period. If the toy is not broken in 24, मतलब it will last.
Oh wow.
सब तोड़ता है. हमारे इतने टॉयज लाते हैं, सब तोड़ देता है. मस्त है, बहुत स्ट्रांग है वो. Then he sleeps. Yeah, then he sleeps at around 11, and then I have to do the remaining housework.
Yeah.
And then I have to speak to brands. So simultaneously, I have to communicate with my brands as well.
Yeah.
A lot of behind the scene going on with the scripting, the outfit, the location,
Yeah.
everything. I have to do it for my own brands,
Oh my
right?
God.
But at the same time, I have my agency as well.
Yeah, so you have
उसका
to
भी
look after
shoots
that.
है.
Yeah.
हाँ, the clients भी है हमारे.
Oh.
उनका भी देखना, उनके लिए भी
Yeah.
scripts बनाने पड़ते हैं. So we manage clients online.
Yeah.
वो सब करते हैं इन सब में बीच में कैसे तो हो जाता है.
So we were talking about your son, how curious he is, right? So like, how has that curiosity helped you in creating a content piece out of it?
Oh my god, the best part about Aru is he's such a vibe, you know. He's literally a vibe. He's just a mini me. And he also enters the room, he's the boss.
Yeah.
Nobody else is the boss. So he is full of life and he's so curious. Anyway, so right now, if he was here now, he would be like fidgeting with anything and everything. And the best part about it is my videographer is his best friend.
Yeah.
Okay, so they both are so well tuned in na. The brand agar koi shoot ho, and Aru knows exactly what to do. I think he's been shooting since he's 6 months.
Yeah.
So he knows exactly what to do with the product. Now, so if he's using a cream and promoting a cream, खुद ही क्रीम लगा के लगाता है अपने आप को. उसको पता है मम्मा क्रीम लगाती है, और मेकअप भी खुद करता है उसको.
Wow.
Oh my god, I've done a campaign with Sis Beauty where he's doing makeup and he actually does that.
Wow.
He goes to my makeup kit, he takes blushes, and he knows how to wear a lipstick also, because the children copy exactly what the mothers do. Okay. And उसकी मम्मी तो ये करती है, बोला तो मेकअप करती है, ये करती है, तो उसको सब पता है exactly है. And camera setup देख के, you know, shoot is going on. So he comes and he say shoot mama, shoot, or Harsh say Harsh shoot. And he starts and he's like, I'm posing, take my pictures. He's like that. And anybody, if you just take a camera, even if you start a camera, you don't have to say smile, he'll just smile. ऐसे
Yeah.
ऐसे स्माइल, कल भी उसकी
Yeah.
बर्थडे पार्टी में जो भी कैमरा स्माइल मारता है ऐसे स्माइल, एक स्माइल ऐसे स्माइल देता है सबको, ऐसे ऐसे स्माइल करता है, he's just a vibe, yeah. So he's such a natural. With any brand, outfit brand में तो क्या है, जब कपड़े पहना दो वो अपना करते ही रहेगा, वो कंटेंट खुद
खुद
नेचुरल
natural
कंटेंट है,
content, yeah.
तुमको किसी को भी सिर्फ प्ले बनाना है, वो अपने आप में कंटेंट देते रहेगा, यू डोंट हैव टू टेल हिम अरे बॉल के साथ खेलो, अरे ये ऐसे करो, वो खुद से ही करेगा, इट्स सो इजी टू शूट विद हिम, इट्स जस्ट दैट आई हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ हिज स्लीप पैटर्न एंड इफ ही इज हंग्री, ये दो चीज उसका हुआ ना, नींद हुई है और अगर उसको पेट भरा है तो वो ऐसे कंटेंट दे देगा, एंड ही लव्स वॉचिंग, ही इज ऑब्सेस्ड विद हिमसेल्फ. You know, he doesn't watch Cuckoo Melon, he doesn't watch YouTube videos or anything. He watches his own videos. And he's smiling. Every time we show him his reel, na, he's like, he doesn't want to see my reel. Mera jo KD mein rehti hu na, he's not interested in that. He just wants to see his own reel and he's always smiling. He karke, "Arey, ye maine kiya." And he knows this is a funny moment.
Yeah.
मतलब if there is a joke happening ना, वो funny में खुद भी हंसता है, उसको कैसे समझता है इतना यार?
Wow.
He's a genius. Amazing. I wish I was so bright.
No, but as you said, you were an influencer before the term influencer.
Yeah, I was always like this, but not at the age of 2.
Yeah.
That was too early.
Yeah. But are you like scared sometimes, you know, with the camera, and like it is kind of a dark space as well because it gets to your mental health as well. So like he's like a 2-year-old.
For my son, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, I am. So I never planned to be a mom influencer. Even when I was pregnant, I never thought कि आरू के साथ shoot करूँगी. So for the first 6 months, I didn't show his picture also online. I never posted anything. I was very scared. But then later on, I was like, यार मेरा बेटा है, मैं क्यों डरूँ? It's all about वो negative vibes, नजर की जो बात होती है. But what I believe कि आप कितने positive vibes generate करते हो, and आप कितना, आपका ऑरा इतना पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए कि किसी के भी नेगेटिव वाइब्स आपको कुछ फर्क ही नहीं पड़ती. मेरा माइंडसेट चेंज हुआ, वरना बीच में मैं कंटेंट करती थी, उसको सर्दी हो जाती थी, बुखार हो जाता था, तो एवरीबॉडी इज लाइक तू ना उसके बारे में इतना पोस्ट करती है, एंड ही इज सो क्यूट एंड ही इज सो चब्बी, तो यू नो सब बोलते हैं ना कितना क्यूट बेबी है, तो उसको बुखार होता है इसलिए काला धागा बांधो एंड ऑल. I was also a little skeptical, but then I was like, see, I'm the mother, he's my son, I know what I'm doing. So as long as my aura is so positive, no negative energy can come and attack me. It's just the mindset. If I'm doubting myself, matlab kuch galat ho raha hai. Tum jiyo na, we are living our lives. We are not doing anything to anybody. And he's just like that. We are not showing off anything. He's living his life. He is so cute. I want to capture it. He loves being captured. So we are just living in the moment. So not to worry about any negative energy. It will exist only if your aura is negative. Then only it will affect you. But if you are so strong that you know this thing is not going to affect you, you're just doing it for fun, then no negative nazar, no kala dhaga is required, nothing is required.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah, you need to, as a mother, especially as a mother, you should be sure कि यार मेरे बेटे को तो इसकी वजह से कुछ नहीं होगा, ये मेरा बेटा है, उसका वाइब और मेरा वाइब इतना पॉजिटिव है कि हम सबकी नेगेटिव एनर्जी को कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. That's it, and that has worked till now.
And also like he's doing it because he wants to.
He loves it.
Yeah. So
just
maybe like you are not
in front of camera. अगर वो इधर होता तो वो उधर बैठ के बोलता कि मेरा शूट करो.
Yeah.
फोटो दिखाओ भी बोलता है, शो मी शो दिखाओ मैं कैसा लग रहा हूँ, इधर हंसता है, अप्रूवल भी देता है जब हम करते हैं ना. वो कंटेंट अप्रूवल भी देता है, हाँ ठीक है अच्छा है. He's a 2-year-old.
Yeah, exactly. That's amazing. Wow. So basically what do you hope people feel or take away when they engage to your content?
So what I feel is we live in a very stressful life, and especially now, like on Instagram also there's so much negativity.
Yeah.
Overall, whenever anybody comes to my account, एक छोटा हंस के जाए, smile करके जाए, that's it.
Yeah.
Even for the 30 seconds, if they felt they got one smile when they look at my content, I'm done.
Yeah.
Okay, then we can go back to your life, what is it. But मेरे यहाँ पे आके आपको कुछ पॉजिटिव ही दिखना चाहिए. या तो कुछ कोई सेलिब्रेशन दिखेगा, या तो कोई फन मोमेंट दिखेगा, या तो एक मस्त स्टाइलिंग रील रहेगा, कुछ तो आपको मजा आना चाहिए इसमें. कुछ नेगेटिव तो कभी नहीं होना चाहिए उसमें. मतलब I will not be bad mouthing about anybody. Or all my content is very positive about anyone that I'm working with, or even if I'm going through a bad phase, I will openly tell it, but आपको कुछ पॉजिटिव मैसेज ही मिलेगा उससे. That has been my thing, because मेरा पूरा एजेंडा ही ये है कि यार खुश रहो लाइफ में यार. जो भी सिचुएशन है, खुशी ना आपके अंदर से ही आएगी, तब जाके चीजें बदलेगी. तो मेरा हर एक मोमेंट वैसे, when I was pregnant, I gained like after Aru I gained 21 kgs. Wow. It was so hard for me to lose that. It is hard because now that I'm in a space that I need to be fit. But still I was always smiling, working out, creating content. So उससे कितने women, I get so many DMs about I get so many DMs about how you lost weight, how are you trying to stay fit, how do you
Yeah.
manage everything.
Yeah.
It's just be positive. हो जाएगा, take one day at a time.
Yeah.
And so whoever comes to my content now, they actually just happy and they just leave.
They just,
They
yeah.
see me, they say यार, they see like such nice things going on and they leave, and in the back of the mind like हाँ यार कुछ तो अच्छा था, मजा आया इसमें मतलब.
Yeah, makes
So that
sense.
is my point there.
Yeah. Well, it was amazing to have you, and this chat was amazing.
Thank
I
you.
loved having this conversation as well. And thank you for being part of Darji Talks.
Thank you so much for
Yeah.
having me.
Just one last question. What made you think, to come up on the cover or like on the podcast for this? Because we are a small brand, so we just needed your, take on why did you choose us?
So when I went through your page and
Yeah.
I saw what you guys are trying to do, go for the luxury fashion and trying to reach out people who are in need of answers when it comes to content creation influencers. And I thought the vibe matches with my energy as well.
Yeah.
That's why I thought let's just do it. It'll be fun.
Yeah. Oh my God. Thank you so much.
Most welcome.
Yes. So we have one hamper for you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
What is it?
This is from Old Money.
Okay.
It's a perfume brand.
Oh wow.
So yeah. So
Lovely.
they have sponsored this actually, the hamper. So yeah.
I'm so excited. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yes.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Mikla Bause, a dentist, a fashion influencer, an entrepreneur and a mom. And if you want to catch me live, please watch me on Darji Talks.
Thank you for joining us on this episode of Darji Talks. If today's conversation made you question, reflect, and see fashion in another way, then we have done our job. And if you found value in this dialogue, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For more behind the scenes, you can go and check out our social media. Our latest edition is now live on our website, so do check it out. Until next time, stay bold, stay curious, and keep redefining luxury as you may. This is Yashi Thanki signing off.